So today I am going to be showing you guys how to create a mind map when it comes to topical authority so you can actually plan out your website correctly, figure out which pages you actually need to rank higher, and it's all going to be automated with AI. So if you guys have never done a mind map before, this is what it looks like. This is for a website that I've done previously, and this would probably take me like the best part of like half a day, maybe 12 hours to actually do. This was before the AI process that I'm actually going to show you guys. So basically you've got your homepage up here, you would have like your blog section, you would have different service landing pages. So this was for an accountancy firm. So for example, they offer tax returns, year-end accounts, bookkeeping, VAT returns, etc., etc. So these would be basically all of the SEO optimized pages that I would need to actually write and get content uploaded onto my website. Then we've got like who we help, so like accountants for dentists, accountants for architects. And then you've also got the local landing pages as well, so like accountants in Birmingham, accountants in Bolton, accountants in Manchester, so on and so forth. So this would be the actual mind map that I would need to create. And like what I mentioned at the start of this video, this would probably take me like the best part of like a day. If not a little bit longer. It also comes down to like how in depth you want your website to be. The more articles that you can obviously cover and the more services, the more inquiries that you're actually going to generate from your SEO campaign. And also another thing that I'd like to just touch on as well is obviously the more blogs that you have, Google's going to essentially understand that your website has got more of a topical authority, more of an understanding about that subject. So whether you're installing solar panels, whether you're an e-commerce store selling vape pens, whether you're an accountancy website, just making certain that you're actually covering all of the FAQs, all of the blogs, etc., topic by topic. Now, what you can actually do to automate this is use Google's NotebookLM. So this is what it basically looks like. Now, there's a lot of different points that you can actually do. One thing I'll do is I'll quickly show you guys one video that I've actually been able to give it as a data point to then turn into a mind map. So this was a video that I recently done on how to grow a Google business profile. And as you can see here, we would need separate pages to do with like profile optimization tips, how to get more reviews, for example, updating posts, where to get local citations, videos, prominent terms, FAQ section, and then the digital marketing conference, which that's kind of, this section I would actually probably ignore. But everything else, it definitely does apply to Google Business Profile. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do this step by step. So first of all, you want to just head over to NotebookLM Google. You can even search this. It isn't actually part of Gemini, which is quite a confusing thing. So if you are ever stuck, just literally search Google NotebookLM. It's literally the first result. And if you're already paying for Gemini, you will have NotebookLM Plus, which I believe you need the Plus version. Some people are saying you can actually get the mind map without the Plus version. So always just test it out, see if you actually do have it. So then what we're going to do is we're going to select Create New. Now the good thing about this is that there are multiple data points that you can actually feed to NotebookLM. You can give it a Google Doc, you can give it slides, you could give it a website URL, a YouTube video, you could just paste in text. There is, however, a slight limit here. As you can see, it's set to 300 data points, which it's not a crazy amount, but it's enough to get the job done. So what I'll do is I will find a video on my YouTube channel that we can actually run through it. So let's do, I believe I've done one on link building. Let's do link building, and we will see if there is one. So all I'm going to do, this is a video on the different types of link building. So if I was like, for example, a link building agency and I wanted to provide this as a service and I wanted to build out an SEO campaign for my website, this is what I would do. Grab that video, paste it into the video URL section. It'll take like maybe a few seconds. It's surprisingly very, very quick. Then I'm going to click on mind map and it's going to start to generate a mind map. We can also do other stuff as well, like audio overview, add notes, etc. But I want a list of, before I even click into this mind map, basically what I'm expecting is a list of service pages that I can provide for links. So for example, citations, press release, digital PR, guest posts, niche edits, etc. So if we actually click into here, we have got foundational links, which then if we actually click into the foundational links, as you can see here, we've got local citations, press release, Web 2.0 links, Wikipedia links, podcast links, user-generated links. Then we've got power and relevance links. So we've got guest posts, niche edits, link insertions, public relations, so PR. That's like the type of stuff that like Ferry does, for example. You've got help a reporter out, you've got infographic link building. Then we've got the advanced / potential risky links. So you've got tiered link building, PBNs, parasite SEO, reciprocal links. Then we've got key considerations as well. So relevance of links, authority links, follow versus no follow, natural link profile, EAT. If I just expand this so you guys can see, we've also got within the local citations, we've got useful for new websites, pad out link profile, no follow. So these are like the reasons why you would want to get citations. If we actually load or go into press release, for newsworthy events, foundational type of links, not to follow, no power, strong foundation. So it's telling you like the pros and cons for each type of link. So this itself, if I wanted to go and do this, it would take me so long to actually do. One thing I'm also going to test out as well, because that's just from like one video, and again, some videos might not be as thorough as that video. I also want to try and find a website that has got like a good resource hub that we can actually fire into LLM and see if we can create a good mind map from it as well. So I'll pause the video for a second, I'll find the website and we will run it through Google NotebookLM. Right, so this website ranks very well for the keyword, how much do I save on solar panels? All I've done is I'm just going to go to the knowledge base because they've got like a very thorough blog section on their website. So as you can see here, they're talking about like how to install solar panels, types of solar panels, battery storage, maximizing solar benefits. There's a lot of good resources on this website. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this link and I'm going to head over to NotebookLM. I've been calling it LLM, it's actually LM. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on website here and I'm just going to paste this in and we are going to see how well this actually does. So from this, I would be expecting like types of solar panels, how to install solar panels, stuff like that. But we will see how thorough it's actually getting. So getting started with solar panels, if we just expand that. So you've got flat roof setups, energy savings, how it works, best solar panels compared. So I'm not going to say this is perfect because some of it's like, for example, if you were to just upload energy savings, it's not going to make much sense. You're probably going to want to include like something along the lines of if this is like the H1 of your article, you would probably want something along the lines of energy savings using solar panels because it makes a little bit more sense. Like how it works, you just don't want to upload an article just saying how it works because you could be, what are you talking about? Are you talking about tax? Are you talking about solar panels? Are you talking about boilers? So how do solar panels work? That could definitely work. Solar panel options. This, again, because it's probably not as thorough, it probably isn't as, it's probably not come out as great, but let's just see solar panel installation types. So we have got a load of articles here that I probably would actually upload through to my website. These do make a little bit more sense as opposed to the ones up here. I think the most important thing when it comes to reviewing these articles is actually just spot checking it, not just blindly uploading all of these as articles through to your website. What you could also do as well is this is just based on one source. You could also add in multiple different sources. So right now we're just looking at a website. You can add in multiple different websites. You could add in a website, a Google Doc, and also a YouTube video. You could even paste in some text as well, just to get a more accurate result. Currently this is like the laziest way that you could possibly do it. If you have a good knowledge source that you're actually getting your ideas from, then it can work. Because, for example, the YouTube video that I actually done previously in the previous example worked out really well. It came back with a lot of different types of links, and it was very, very thorough. However, because that solar website is probably not as in-depth as the link building video, where I believe it's like a 20, actually it's a 13-minute video. It's not too long. I thought it was a little bit longer, but probably because it's not going into as much detail on this specific page, it's come back being a little bit more not as in-depth. So try to layer up all of your sources as much as you can. You're obviously going to get much better output by doing that. And obviously your mind map's going to come out a lot better if you're actually stacking your sources as well. So that's been my video on how to create a mind map for Topical Authority to actually help you rank higher in Google. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like. And I think I didn't mention this at the start of the video, 27th of June and also the 28th, I am hosting my own SEO conference in Manchester. There is 94 days left. You've got the likes of Craig Campbell, Lara Acosta, James Dooley, Carrie Rose, and multiple more speaking at the event. So if you guys do want to grab your tickets, head over to masterminders.com. I believe there are still 40 or 50 tickets left. So grab them while you can, and I will see you in June. Thanks for watching.